Hello there, my friends. Today I'm going to share with you a very interesting perspective on addiction. Addiction often slips into our lives when there is an emotional vacuum, a gap we are subconsciously trying to fill. It shows up in various ways like emotional eating, comfort habits, excessive use of mobile, or patterns we can't seem to shake. The key to overcoming addiction is getting curious about the root cause. Ask yourself, what am I trying to fill? Digging beneath the surface to find that underlying need is where real change begins. And here's something interesting. When a habit genuinely benefits us, like yoga, learning, or even working towards a financial goal, it doesn't control us in the same way. We are empowered by it rather than being dependent on it. True addiction doesn't help us grow. Instead, it keeps us stuck. The trick is to replace negative pattern with something positive. Healthy routines that nourish, uplift, and help us move forward. If you are ready to kick a habit that no longer serves you, start by replacing it with something beneficial. And if you are looking for little extra support, try these healing codes to overcome mobile addiction. The codes are 8472723. The second code is 1636893. Write these codes on the left body part, maybe left wrist or something. Use these and share your feedback with me. Thank you.